We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 72 plate Porsche Cayenne GTS. As you see, it's the facelift model, protected with a Starline alarm system. So this has a tilt, motion and shock sensor. So if the vehicle is hit, lifted or moved, the alarm's going to sound, the hazards are going to go, everyone around's going to know someone's trying to attempt to steal it. Also has an immobiliser, so if someone copies the key, does a relay attack and unlocks it, which is the most common method of theft these days, starts the vehicle up. As soon as they pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. As you see, it's completely turned off. This system gives you no error codes on the dash like most other systems on the market. Pop it into reverse, vehicle just cuts out. Nice and simple. If it's the customer, you can choose from a code of 1, 2, 3 like we have on this vehicle. For now, receive a double flash, and then we can select our gear. Or they can choose from just having a Bluetooth tag in the vehicle. Actually, now in the tag, they can just have it in their pocket. When they unlock the vehicle, they can just start it up, select their gear and drive away. No need to do a code. This system has tilt, motion and shock protection, uses the factory key. So if we lock it, we get one flash, one beep, the system's active. Now if this vehicle's hit, lifted or moved, the alarm's going to sound. We'll show you from outside how that works. But to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a Starline alarm system on a brand new 74 plate facelifted Porsche Cayenne with a push sequence or tag paired immobilisation. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.